What is up, you guys? TJ here with an honest review. Today I have this Penne pan holder from Monkey Business. So Monkey Business gifted me this to test out, give my honest review, and what better time than this? I'm making pasta, so we're gonna put this to the test. All right, so taking an up close look, this is made out of a nice rubbery material that is heat resistant, and there is actually a little hole on the top here too if you wanna hang this up in your kitchen, because it actually would look pretty cool and it would be a nice conversation piece. So taking a look on the inside, you can see that there are grooves on the top and the bottom, and that's going to give you nice grip whenever you're holding down on the pan. You can see me moving it, going to be really nice, and it's just a nice piece of penne, so really going to give you a good grip. Let's try this out. Got this boiling. This is pretty hot right now. I'm about to dump this into the sink, so I'm going to throw this on. Looks like it fits really nice and snug actually. When I go to pull it, it barely comes off. It has a really nice feel to it. And this is a curved handle too, so the rubberized material is gonna bend to if it's curved or if it's flat. Looks like my timer's going off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that off. So just grabbing it like this, I feel zero heat whatsoever right now. This thing is working really, really great, and it's just super easy. And I love the fact that it's grippy too, and the fact that it stays on. It really just does the trick. And I absolutely love this thing, honestly, because I've been needing something for my skillet actually when I make steaks. Right. Throw the pasta back in. Comes off really nice and easy. So this penne handle is gonna have a unique shape that fits any handle. It's durable enough that it's gonna keep your hand protected, but also not damage the handle. It's food safe, BPA free, and also dishwasher friendly, so you can throw this in the dishwasher, which is really nice. This has an ultra layer of silicone that is gonna provide a lot of heat resistant for your hands. So Monkey Business also creates a ton of unique items for your kitchen that just are weird and super funny, practical. So this penne handle honestly is something that I would gift like every single person in my Italian family. I think this would be so funny and make a great gift for anybody who loves cooking or anybody that just wants to spruce up their kitchen with some cool and unique gadgets. Give this penne handle a 10 out of 10. Go check out Monkey Business for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.